Bantu baseNingizimu Afrika sinamaphoyisa sizihlalele nje. Kwikhomishana kaMadlanga sekuvele izinsolo ezithi ukhomishana wamaphoyisa eGauteng wayalela amaphoyisa aphenya ngobugebengu obuhleliwe eGauteng ukuthi awalethe amadokodo kuyena, okufaka phakathi nela-Ahmad Swart owabulawa eVereeniging. Ofakazi kwiMadlanga Commission abaphenya ngalo leli cala baveze ukuthi u-Ahmad Swart wabulawa ngenxa yethenda yakwa-Transnet. Izinsolo zithi umzala kaKT Molefe, uLucky Molefe, uyena owaqasha abantu ukuthi bahambe bayobulala u-Ahmad Swart ngenxa yethenda yakwa-Transnet. Kuthiwa u-Ahmad Swart wayekhala ngomsebenzi ithenda eyanikwa inkampani esondelene naye uLucky Molefe. Kuthiwa azange siphume isikhangiso salo msebenzi, kanti naye u-Ahmad Swart inkampani yakhe i-QTech yayiwubhekile lo msebenzi. Okwathi bezwa kwathiwa usukhishwe wanikwa inkampani le ekuthiwa isondelene naye uLucky Molefe. uLucky Molefe noKT Molefe baboshwa nabanye ababili ngezinsolo zokubulala u-Ahmad Swart.
Instruction from the PC, and to collect all those dockets, including that docket of yours, and go give it to him. And the instruction were given to us as district commissioners. And if we are not handing in those dockets to him, we're gonna be facing the disciplinary steps.